Can you see that really good? Because I'm going to leave it, because I'm not going to hold it like this through the whole podcast.
You're good. You're live.
Live right now?
Yep.
Hey guys, I am Terrence, your computer concierge at Computers Plus at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Also at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. And if you listen to the end of this podcast, I'm going to show you how to get this back to school backpack completely free here at Computers Plus. So, today we're going to talk about back to school and back to school tips that can help get you prepared and ready to move forward in your endeavor of school life. Everyone's ready? Yay! I know the parents are happy, right? So between August 3rd and August 6th is kind of your barometer. So we gotta get what? We gotta get the pens, the pencils, the markers. What else, Kat?
Notepads,
the erasers. Remember the actual box. Remember the box.
Oh, remember when you had to actually wrap your books though?
Yeah, to wrap your books. That was the funnest part. Like, some people went out and bought their own wrapping paper for their books, but no. You got brown paper wrapped it up, made it look like it was you blinged it out in the 80s. And you blinged out in the 90s. You were blinged. I feel sad, because now what do people have? Instead of that, they have tablets, computers, and those are things that have to be done differently. You can't just, you can wrap a computer. We've wrapped computers, Kat, right? We've done some wrap, so if you want to custom wrap on your computer, we can definitely do that for you. Desktops too. So laptop skins, we can do that. But, so those are things that you have to get prepared into back to school. So one of the back to school hacks is what? Cleaning up your browsing history, cleaning that stuff up, getting out that cache, and getting those things that are building up in your computer that bog it down, get them wiped out and get them cleaned. Defrag your hard drive is another one. A lot of times some people are still on the mechanical drives. We see them all the time. We can try to get them converted to the SSD. Got a lot of success stories from that. If you ever went from a mechanical to an SSD, it's like a world's of a difference. And, so having those things defragmented, cleaned up. If you have an antivirus running that scan, try to do that scan at least every other day. I know people try to say, but I'm working. You know what? In most cases, your antivirus can scan while you're still doing work. It may ask you to restart. It may ask you to close out some sessions that you have some open tabs that you aren't using anymore.
Make sure you got everything saved.
But it will basically run in that background while you're doing your day-to-day stuff. So getting those things cleaned out, cleared, ready to go for school. We've seen a lot of parents just over the week, and they're bringing the kids' computers in, and they're just getting them cleaned and wiped, and they're getting our membership program. And our membership program is what it is it's a tech IT support. So you get an antivirus, and you get us on the back end to if you need to have an issue, you give us a call, and we solve it. We either remote network into your system, or we show you how to fix it yourself, but we get you up and running, and that's for a year, and with an option to renew. So, if you want to take a look at that program, you have to come in store, but we are updating our website, and we'll get that program out to everybody online, because we get a lot of online subscribers and customers there, so we got to open the door for them as well. So let's get that laptop cleaned up, let's get that tablet reset, refreshed, get that data off, maybe save it to a flash drive, a thumb drive, a micro SD card, and let's start the new year fresh, because it's back to school. Parents are happy. Everybody else, everyone's single is sad. Because why? Why is everyone single that is sad? Because they know more traffic. It's going to take them longer. Because the buses. Our kids need buses. We love our kids. I was a bus rider. Were you a bus rider? Mm-hmm. I was a bus rider. Bus rider is like you're taking a field trip every day to school. Right? You're taking a field trip every day to school. So, back to the hacks. I'm going to get going here. We want to talk about some other things, and this is one thing that I get a lot of questions from parents, and that's about, I want to give my kid a phone. When is the right time to get your kid a cell phone? Does anyone know what the right age is? I'll tell you what the right age is. And I'll also tell you how to get this backpack for free at the end of this video. So make sure you look at the end of this video. So, how do we, what's the right age for kids
well, I think
having a cell phone?
With that being said, it also depends on if you're a single parent too, though, at the same time.
Yeah. If you're a single parent, it's definitely a lot more challenging because you're the only source of that person for safety. And so I think the right age is the right age you feel comfortable with. Right? It's all about you. You know, we protect our kids. We want to keep our kids safe from this and from that. And we know when we send them off to school that now they're in the hands of other people. And we want to make sure that if there's anything going on or wrong, you can always contact mom and dad. Right? Contact mom, contact dad. And so that's going to be completely up to you. Now, there are some things that you can do to set up to keep your child, or if you have more, somewhat in the direction to not get so much influence that's on the internet. Because there's a lot of influence on the internet. These influencers, some for good, some for bad, that influence kids to do, and adults, not just kids. They got 80-year-old men doing the robot, right? And so with kids, it's difficult to navigate and figure out when is the right time to get them involved in this whole world of new experiences that they're going to be experiencing and seeing and visually. There are things that you can do on that device and through their email that you can keep them, you can do the best you can. And that's all we can do as parents, is do the best that we can to kind of keep them in the direction that moves them forward and keeps them in a positive flow in life. So there are safety things on your phones. If you want questions or have any comments, please drop a comment here at the bottom. If you have questions, give us a call. We're at 770-693-0769. It's something we want to sit down and be able to talk with you and not necessarily always have to officially sit down because we're doing the Zoom and all this, new half social distance, half non-social distance relationship in the economic world. So we can sit down, do a Zoom call, talk to you here face-to-face over the phone and give you some tips on how you can keep yourself safe. And we also offer an antivirus for cell phones. And people need an antivirus for a cell phone? Yes, you need an antivirus for your cell phone. Now, I think I'm going to get to it. Okay, so I'm going to tell how can you win. Now I only got 3 of these, right? These are back to school backpacks. They're really great backpacks. They go on your shoulder. Am I holding that high enough, Kat? Am I? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So these are back to school backpacks. If you can come in and tell us the last 13 operating systems for Mac and for PC. Okay, yeah, no, I won't go. That's the
I would say Mac or PC. If you
Mac or PC. No, we want to give this. Not gonna be easy because I want to see if people can get this without Googling it. But if you Google it, then it's okay because you can't know everything, right? Last 13 operating systems for Mac and for PC. And if you're one of the lucky 3 people that come in, you're going to get this backpack. And it's a great backpack. Back to school, throw over your shoulder, put your laptop in there, put your stuff in there, put it in the back of the car. Gently in your car with your laptop. You don't want to break any screens. That happens. You get in a rush, you throw it in the back, and the screen cracks, and then you're coming to see me. And that's okay, because we get you up and going. Give us a call, 770-693-0769. Also want to remind everybody of the buy one, get one half off, right, for back to school that we're having. Buy one, get one half off for back to school.
Till August 11th.
To August 11th. And that you got that window now because, it's back, baby. School is back. And our kids are back to learning. And that's an amazing thing to watch their brains develop. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia, and also at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. And our website is computersplususa.com, where you can get helpful tips about all your tech needs. Not all. We try to cover a lot of bases. But you get some great information out there. And tell a friend, comment at the bottom, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.